Those $2.99 payment might look tiny on the screen, right? But if just 500 office workers in America pay you this $2.99 payment every single month, your monthly income sits at around 1,500 pure recurring passive income. You might think you need to be a high-paid software engineer in Silicon Valley or hold a massive computer science degree to pull this off. Wrong. In 2026, this era hardcore coding is dead. The new programming language is English. If you can simply think of a solution and write it out as a prompt, you can build a complete software product. Today we are stepping out of the freelancing and video editing world. I am going to show you how to use ChatGPT to build a microchrome extension in just 10 minutes and turn the laptop of an American professional into your personal monthly ATM. Building software does not mean you build the next Facebook or Uber. You just need to solve one micro problem. People working marketing, sales or SL in the US do the same boring task on repeat every single day. Things like manually copying hundreds of email addresses from a website or trying to bulk unsubscribe from a spam email. They're incredibly frustrated by this tiny, repetitive task. They want a magic button they can click to make the problem go away. We are going to build exactly that button. Go to Google and search biggest annonces for office workers to find your extension idea. Let's say our extension does this, turns any website text into dark mode with a single click. That's simple. You have the idea. Now how you build it? Go straight to ChatGPT or Claude 3.5 Sonnet, feed it this exact prompt. Act as an expert Chrome extension developer. I want to build an extension that turns any website text to dark mode with one click. Write the complete code for manifest.json, background.js and popup.html. See that, I just write the entire software for you. Now create a new folder on your desktop, copy those blocks of code from ChatGPT, paste them into a basic text editor like Notepad and save the files with those exact names. Boom, your first software is ready. If you get any error later, just copy the error text back into ChatGPT, it will fix it for you. Now, you are officially a software developer. Your software is ready. But how do you get Americans to hand over their credit cards? Here is the tricks. We don't give it away for free. We are going to use a free service called ExtensionPay.com to inject a strip payment gateway directly into your extension code. We will set a simple rule. The first 3 days are completely free. After that, it's $2.99 a month. Once your paywall is set, head over the Chrome Web Store developer download. Google charges a one-time lifetime fee of just $5 to become a registered developer. Pay the $5, zip your extension folder and upload it. Within 2 to 3 days, Google will review it and push it live. Your custom software is now sitting in the front of billions of Google Chrome users worldwide. So open ChatGPT today, generate the code for your first Google Chrome extension and start building your digital asset. So we are see you next video. Till then, take care. Tata, bye bye.